Hello and welcome to Dainty Charms. Today we will be making a very cute wavy bracelet that is perfect for beginners to jewelry making. All the supplies can be found on Shein and I have linked everything below. Let's get started. You will need oval shaped pearls, 3mm pink seed beads, purple seed beads, blue seed beads, and green seed beads. 24 inches of clear fishing line. You'll also need hook, 2 jump rings, stop beads, bead tip, butterfly charm, and a heart chain as an extender. For the tools, you'll need 2 pliers and a scissor. To start, we will add the hook to the center of the string. Next, we will add the gold bead tip through both the strings. Now we'll add 1 pink seed bead through both the threads to start the design. Split the string and add the pearl to one side. To the other thread, we will add 4 pink seed beads. Then add 1 pink seed bead through both the threads. To create the wavy design, we will add the pearl to the opposite thread of the previous pearl. Then adding 4 seed beads to the other string. We have now completed the pink wave and will be transitioning to purple by adding 1 purple seed bead through both the threads. I like tugging on the string from time to time to keep it in place. Now let's add the pearl to the opposite side of the previous pearl. And now adding the 4 purple seed beads to the other string. And again, connecting the 2 strings with 1 purple seed bead. And tugging on it to keep it in shape. Now we will repeat the same step to complete the purple set. Now we will transition to blue and complete the same steps over again. Now we will transition over to green and complete the set. Now that we have completed all 4 color sets, we will start over with the first color. From here, you can continue with the design until you have reached the desired length. Now that you have reached the desired length, you will complete the design by adding the seed bead of the last color set through both the threads. Then tug on the string to keep everything in shape. Now to finish up, we will add a gold end bead through both the threads. Now we will secure the bracelet by adding the bead tip through both the strings. Using any seed bead, we will now secure the bead tip by adding it through both the strings. Next, we will split the string and we will loop it over and under the seed bead on each side. Once you loop it over, pull the string to secure. Then work on the other side and do the same. Once it's looped, you can tug on the string and then push down the seed bead so it ends right at the bead tip. Now you'll want to tug on the string so that the bead is fastened and tight on the bead tip, and we're going to be doing around 2 knots to secure it. After that, you're going to want to cut the string and close up the bead tip. Now we will add our jump ring and extender chain to the bracelet. Now to complete the bracelet, we'll add the butterfly charm to the extender chain. And there you have it, such a pretty and cute bracelet that is so simple to make and perfect for beginners. I hope you all enjoyed the video and let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!